The Faculty of Dental Medicine at the International Balkan University successfully held the second international symposium titled Restoring Health, Redefining Beauty. The event gathered professionals from the dental and medical fields with the shared goal of fostering international collaboration and exchanging the latest advancements in dentistry and aesthetic medicine. Our Dean of the Faculty of Dental Medicine, Professor Dr. Enis Recep, and Assistant Sihana Durmishi-Zakiri, stated that more than 300 participants attended the symposium, including distinguished speakers and experts from Türkiye, Kosovo, and North Macedonia.
Today we are at the organization of second International Symposium of Faculty of Dental Medicine, which is accredited by the Ministry of Health and Dental Chamber of Macedonia. We are bringing very good professionals to have their lectures, and also we have very big interest from the colleagues, which it is already booked by numbers. Hopefully this will be the beginning of more successful congresses to come. I'm very happy to host this big number of colleagues from all around Macedonia, and also colleagues who are like lecturers from different countries like Kosovo, like Türkiye. We are trying to do the best of our capacity to please everyone and to have very successful congress.
It's a great pleasure and honor for us. This year we are hosting the second International Symposium organized by Faculty of Dental Medicine at International Balkan University. This symposium aims to gather doctors, dentists from all around the world, and we have speakers from Turkey, Kosovo, and also from North Macedonia. The main goal is to share as much as possible knowledge and also to share new experiences and evolvements that happen in the dental era.
Associate Professor Dr. Radmila Dimovska stated that, throughout the day, scientific sessions explored a wide range of topics, from surgery to orthodontics, prosthetics, periodontics, and aesthetic medicine.
October is a month of smile, and that's why our topic was chosen smile in all disciplinary of dentistry. Especially mine is about in orthodontics, then we have maxillofacial surgery, we have rejuvenation of the lips, and also we have from parodontology and from prosthetics view.
Guests from other countries also shared their thoughts and experiences during the symposium, emphasizing the importance of such international gatherings in strengthening professional ties, exchanging best practices, and inspiring further collaboration in the fields of dental and aesthetic medicine.
Ben bugün diş eti hastalıkları ve diş eti dizaynı üzerine konuşacağım. Ön bölge estetik restorasyonlar öncesinde yaptığımız diş eti düzenlemelerinden bahsedeceğim. Organizasyonu düzenleyen, bizi davet eden ve bizi ağırlayan tüm ekibe çok derin saygı ve sevgilerimi sunuyorum.
I'm going to show some of my experience in orthodontic surgery in combination with orthodontic treatment. I hope it will be interesting for the viewers and for attendants to see our experience in such a surgery.
This significant gathering once again reaffirmed the Faculty of Dental Medicine's dedication to advancing scientific dialogue and promoting excellence in education, research, and clinical practice across the region.